In the heels of a series of tornadoes that hit Florida's Gulf Coast this weekend, we're learning more about just how active this tornado season could be. News 13 weather expert Maureen McCann tells us all about it from the Steamboat Weather Summit going on this week in Colorado.
Well, I'm clearly not in central Florida this week. You can tell by my surroundings. Looks a little bit different. I'm in Steamboat Springs, Colorado, attending the 27th annual Steamboat Weather Summit. And here, leading experts in weather and climate, we're meeting to discuss latest research and latest industry trends. And it's not just focused on winter weather. In fact, today we were talking about tornado statistics. And our speaker, Greg Carbin from the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma. Greg, you're one of the experts here talking about severe weather. This is so timely, coming off of a very active couple of days in central Florida with tornadoes. Talk about what was the trends last year and how this year's already off to a different start.
Well, last year we saw a really slow start in the winter months, January, February, and March of 2015. Very few watches issued nationwide. And of course, the Storm Prediction Center is issuing tornado watches for the entire lower 48 states. Very slow, but it became active in May. Florida had their fair share of tornado events, but below normal. We've turned the corner now with an active El Nino pattern. We see active jet stream, subtropical jet across the Gulf, and actually some very dangerous tornado events have already occurred early this year in Florida, unfortunately.
Yeah, and looking ahead, we're in mid-January, going ahead through February and March. What are the signals that you're seeing that this will still be active?
The strongest signals for El Nino, unfortunately, do appear across the Gulf Coast in Florida. We see a very active subtropical jet during a warm phase, ENSO, which is what we're in. And those signals are most pronounced, especially this time of year, into February and even into March. So keep an eye out. It's going to be an active pattern for the next couple of months.
That's good advice, Greg, and also a good reminder for you to get those alerts on your phone with News 13 Plus so you can stay up to date should any watches or warnings advisories be issued for your area. The only alerts I'm getting on my phone this week are winter weather advisories here in Colorado. In Steamboat Springs, Colorado, Maureen McCann, News 13.